Hi guys, welcome to another KamicarzCreations video. A bit of a how-to series, and especially on eBay purchases. This is another product that I've bought off eBay. It's the Fenix thermo fans. They come basically with the shroud and the fans, no controller. But they look really nice, really clean. There's a few little modifications I'll have to do to make them fit to the aluminium radiator I've got in there. But in general, really nice. I'm currently not running a thermostat in the car. I've been a bit of a paranoid android on the heat situation with engines. But the engine I'm running at the moment is running too cold from the research I've done. She's running around the 50-60 degrees, and that is too cold for a good performing engine. They reckon around 80 degrees is much better. So I'm going to put the thermostat back in, which is an 82 degree thermostat. Whack the fans on, because I've currently still got the engine fan on there. And start to control the temperature more closely. Set these to about 90 to come in and start cooling the car. And as you know, when you're sitting in traffic, it's always at idle when they start to increase in temperature, and at idle the engine fan is only running at the speed of the engine and is reasonably inefficient. So these thermos should come in and be able to cool it down, but I'll get into it. Rightio guys, so the aim is to take the thermostat cover off, whack that thermostat in there firstly, and then I've got to get that old wind beater off the front of the engine, which is sucking a bit of horsepower out of it, and mount the thermostatic fans on. So I've made these brackets up. They're just bent up out of 2mm aluminium, just bent to the same thickness as the radiator, and to allow for drilling into to accommodate the mounting holes for the thermo fans. As you can see, here's one sitting on top, that's for the other side. Quite a simple arrangement. I've also taken the wind beater off the front there and just bought some shorter bolts and to hold that retaining pulley back in there. Anyway, progress. Okay guys, job done. You can see the brackets that I made. Basically they increase the face area for the fan shroud to locate on. The actual fan shroud was about 50mm wider than the radiator surface, so that extended face on that channel that I've made there has increased that locating face, so the shroud is completely sealed in that area. Two thermo fans. I've still got to get bolted off, but it's in place, in position. It's just drilling and bolting the bolt holes, but she looks really good. Very, very happy with it. Have a go guys. Fenix fans, they look really good. That's a Stealth series, bought off eBay. Pretty happy. When I wire them up, I'll show you them running.